Hey, welcome back to Norton Tesla. Today I got a Jowua accessory haul. All right, welcome back to the channel. Dan here from Norton Tesla. If you've been watching the channel for some time, you know that I'm a huge fan of Jowua accessories. I have their wireless pad, their phone mount for the MagSafe on the screen, as well as a wireless controller. I love all their stuff. And the reason for that is their stuff really works well. And the other thing is that it looks really good. It matches the inside of the car, which is important to me. So I really find that they really do a good job. There's nothing cheap. It's not cheap made stuff. It's all good quality and it works really well. So I'm a huge fan. So today they sent me a bunch of stuff. Now these are kind of like little accessories. You may add these on as an added purchase. They're kind of convenient. So we got the LED light bar, an armrest storage organizer, and one thing I didn't know was needed, but the rear underseat air cover. So I've actually never looked under the seat. So apparently there's an air cover down there and they sent me this to put a cover on it so stuff doesn't go missing. And as you can see back there, I got young kids, so I don't know what I'm going to find on there, so it'll be interesting. Anyways, so before I get into all the install and stuff like that and show you off, take a second and subscribe. First thing, we have the Jowua armrest storage organizer. So this is just another one of those organizers that go in here. Now, there's tons of them on Amazon. They're really cheap. So I'm really curious to see what the Jowua one looks like. I'm sure it will be good. So we're just going to open this. So it's a nice rubber. All right, so here it is. This is the armrest organizer. So the thing I noticed right off the bat is it's really hard plastic. Like it almost feels like a metal of some sort. It's not going to be this cheap, flimsy plastic off Amazon. The only thing I would like to see is that there's no dividers. So this is the old one that comes in the car. I just want to go like that. Just slide it in. So if I put my stuff here, like it's not really going to move, but it'd be nice to have some sort of dividers, like even like just a coin drawer or something like that. So yeah, that's really the only thing. Like it's pretty good. It gives you more space than the other one. You see here how this one would stop just over here. We have about an extra inch of space there. All right, so next up for that armrest is the Jowua LED light bar. So this is a cool little kind of flashlight type thing. Let's just open it up quickly and I'll explain what it is. So it's like a bar and the end of it is like an acrylic plastic, and you see here, just turn it on and it lights up. So this will gonna sit in the armrest and give it some glow. And you can also use it for whatever else you want. If you're in the car for an emergency, you can glow around because it gives it some sort of like an underglow feel. It's a really nice light. So you got your on switch or off and then auto. With these sensors here, it will pick up any movement. And then you also have your charging port. It does come with, it's a micro USB port, and it does come with a USB-C and USB-A adapter. So the cool thing is that it goes here, and it goes right in that little thing. So now you got a little light for your armrest, and then also if you need some sort of flashlight around the car or at night or something, emergencies, you have that for you. So it's pretty cool. So next is a Jowua rear underseat air cover. So I'm just gonna open this up. So basically two little, I guess there's Velcro here and it'll go on your air cover under your seat. So I'm kind of worried to kind of look back there to see what kind of toys. Maybe I'll find some. I am missing some Legos for my kids, so maybe that, maybe they're back there. All right, so yeah. All right, so here we're at the back. We're gonna install this filter thing. Now what you wanna do is move your seat all the way to the front as far as it will go to get access underneath. Now, if you have kids like I do, you're gonna get stuff like Legos, popcorn, marbles. So stuff can actually get down there. So this could come in handy actually. So let's go ahead and just put it on. I'm gonna take the camera down and we're gonna show you what it's like down there. So this is the vent here. You can see like a little marble like this can easily fit down there. To kind of just prevent stuff from getting down there. All right, so once again, some cool accessories from Jowua. If you like them, don't forget to check out my other reviews like the wireless charging pad, the phone mount, and the wireless controller. They make some great accessories, so please check them out. Go head over to jowua-life.com and check out the entire website there, as well as take promo code JWEU5 for 5% off the entire site. So thanks again for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, please. And also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. And also check out my merch store. Cool t-shirts like this one. This is the front design. I don't know if you ever noticed under your front. This is what it looks like. Pretty cool. So check that out. It's on my channel as well. The link is also in the description. So please get some merch. Anyways, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next week. Testing, testing. All right, so all right, so more good. Now, if you have any kids, loud fucking ass cars. Controller, the wireless pad. If you have a Model 3 SR. All right, thanks again for. All right, I hope you like this.
This mouse, they've just licked them to death. Licked them raw, like disgusting.
Yeah.
But they didn't eat them.
Oh, that's disgusting.
They just played with him. But
Yeah.
where did they come from?
We have mice, so maybe we can borrow your cats for a week.
Seriously.
And take promo code Jowua. No. All right. Man, I got the first time.